note, just going to have a look at the garden, see what we've been doing since we last saw us. Beautiful sunny July day. We thought we'd use the good weather to show you the garden, what's been going on site. Not quite finished yet, still a few bits and pieces to do. This area here is now going to be a store area. We're going to build a roof over the top so the plants can dry store. This narrow little area is where we squeeze the digger in and managed to get a small doorway digger into the back garden, which helped at the start of the project. We constructed this brick wall here. There's going to be a new gate put in here, so that will divide the store off to the back garden. Now, the client's brief on this project was a low maintenance contemporary space, somewhere they can come out all year round, they can entertain, they can barbecue, they can play with their young son on the generous area of artificial lawn that we've installed here. We've constructed a slightly raised area below hardwood deck. There's a void here. This is going to host a standalone fire pit bowl. We've also constructed a insert in the hardwood, so when the fire pit isn't being used, the insert will go into this area and the whole area of decking will be usable. But the clients have put some contemporary garden furniture around the central feature of the fire pit. We've got a very low maintenance, very minimalist planting scheme. The client wanted as little maintenance as possible. When they first moved into this property, the garden was wild, and by the time we turned up, the garden was a jungle. If you saw the previous videos, you'll see just the contrast now. This lovely sawn sandstone, this is sourced locally from a quarry in Bollington, up on the Carriage Ridge. I love this stone. It's all the kind of flecks and colours of the sedimentary lines running through it. Again, that sawn finish gives it a slightly more kind of modern look to it. Loads of space for a kick around, and in fact the clients actually purchased a couple of football nets which we've been using on site. I won't do a demo because I'll probably kick the ball over the fence. But what a great space for their young child to come out, roll around, play around on the grass, and this can be used all year round and no muddy footprints being trodden back into the house. Raised area of planting over in this corner. This was the sun trap. The client wanted to capitalise on this part of the garden because the sun beams down here around about midday. It gets very, very warm here. We've used some sawn sandstone. This is from Marshall's. This is a sawn sandstone walling product. Very, very dense, very thick, very robust stone. Lovely colours, variety of colours running through it. And again, slightly contemporary, low maintenance planting scheme. We've got the box balls in here, some lupins, some Agapanthus africanus, and these lovely little companions down here, which is a personal favourite of mine. Feel free to take the mix. I know you're all going to. This is actually one of my favourite little plants here. So we've got the whites and the kind of deep violet purples of the Agapanthus. And this horizontal screen fencing here matches in with this fence that we've constructed at the back of the garden that just sets off the garden. Client didn't want too much planting, and as you can see it's quite spartan in the beds. But that's going to be accentuated with the lighting scheme which we're going to fit later on in the year. If you want to find any more about homegrown landscape gardening, visit us online at www.myhomeground.co.uk. If you're watching YouTube, thanks for watching. Click the link at the end of the video, that will send you through to our website where you can find out more about us. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment, let us know who you are. Love to hear your feedback. How did we do with the client's brief? What are your thoughts? Is it low maintenance? Does it look contemporary enough? And if you were lucky enough to be entered into competition, it's now competition time. So we're going to go and draw the winner from the previous video and see who our competition winner is. Competition time, all the names of the people who liked and shared and posted on a previous video are in this bucket here. They're going to go into the mixer. Will your name be picked out at random? So we're going to pick one name at random. Peter Mitchell, £40 B&Q voucher, winging your way. Get in touch, send us a private message with your name, address, well your name's there, your address, and we'll be sending you a B&Q voucher up to you. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking and sharing. If you want to win on our next competition, it's £40 B&Q voucher. Don't forget to like and share this video. We'll see you soon. We've got another project starting and we'll keep you posted as to what's happening on that. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon. Bye now.